It happened, y'all. It finally happened. Notorious G37 problem. As you can tell what's going on, it's a crazy mess. It's looking kind of crazy right now. Water start piling up in the passenger side because of the sunroof drain, which you all know it's a problem. I've actually done it before. I fixed it before. Happened again. This time, I'm not taking no chances. So, just gonna get right into it, y'all. Show you what's going on. I got new tubing for it. I got some tube splicers so that I can fit it right through here. And I'm gonna cut it probably like right here, like down here somewhere. And I'm gonna wire this tube, as you can see, all the way down to the bottom. Then I'm gonna connect it with a T-connect right here. Wish me luck, y'all. I'm gonna get right into this and see if I can figure it out. Hopefully I can get this tube through. It's a little bit hard because like it's a it's a circle-ish tube, it's like keep wrapping up and stuff, but I got it. I got it. We're gonna get the bucket. Just reach. I can't reach the tube, can I? Let's see. Let's see. Where's the tube? See, I see the tube right there. I just need to get the tube to the bottom. It won't be straight enough. Oh, there we go. As you can see, it's getting there. It's getting there. Here's the tube. So I'm gonna tie it up. So I'm push it back first, like all the way back here first. So like it's like a back against the. It's not the firewall, but about against like the frame wall, I guess it's called it. And then tie it right there with T-connect, and then it'll drain from the bottom, somewhere over there somewhere. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna cut the wire and show you guys where I put everything in there so I can show you guys how to finally fix this problem. I want to get right into it because I want to be able to just help you guys as fast as possible, fix this problem once and for good. Don't have to go through it again. So we're gonna get through it right now. All right, y'all. So I have a fix right now going. I just went to test it out to make sure it actually is working. So far, so good. It's been holding up. I'm probably gonna wash the car in a little bit just to make sure there's no water coming inside. So I'll soak wash the whole car down. I'll put some hose in it for a little bit. So then, if there was water leak in it, I would see it. But the fix I got is right here. So I cut this one out. This is the OEM hose that goes down to that little drain back there. I wired in this one right here, spliced it right there, added in this. And now it leaks straight down the bottom, comes all the way out through the back, and then leads straight down here and through this drain hole. Originally, I was gonna put a T-connect right here and then leave this plug in like all the way like how it's supposed to be. But I kind of don't want to cut this hose for some reason. Something about it to me just doesn't seem right to cut this OEM hose right here. So I'm gonna leave that one for now. I have it right here, like going through this gap right here, and it's pretty. So far, it's pretty snug. I don't have no problem with like it falling out or anything. Let me just push it back in just a tad bit more, but it's pretty snug right there. And then like I said, it drains right out to the bottom, and it's been pretty good. So that is the fix. Before I upload this video, I'll probably run it around for. It's gonna rain for the next like 2-3 days, so that'll be the real test. And also, what I did was also put some soap water. Oh, where's the gap? It's right here. So this is like where the water goes in. This gap right here. It goes all the way through the bottom. So what I did is put some soap down here, just some regular dish soap on both sides, and I let that sit there for a little bit. Then I hose it through. Some success. Been pretty good. I'll let you guys know in a little bit. Anyways, we'll see y'all. Hopefully it lasts because I don't want to wake up to another puddle in the G, y'all. I can't do it. I can't do it, honestly. All right, what's up, y'all? I don't know if you guys are paying a little bit more attention to some of the details in the videos. You will see that I do wear this logo quite a lot. And this video is a little bit short, so I want to take some time out to actually tell you guys about this brand that I'm wearing, which is actually my brand. Started 2 years ago. It's a little bit something that, I do outside of cars, which is pretty cool. I have a little some side thing I do with clothing brand. and it's pronounced Visma. It's actually Greek for the word plug, and plug in the sense of like having like a connect or somebody who gets you like a good job. Kind of like having like a V. Let's say like you have a VQ plug, someone you go to when you need parts of your motor, or somebody you have like a sneaker plug. They'll get all the good shoes. You go to someone you need some shoes, and something along those lines. That's how like the idea of it. That's how the idea kind of started, because like I like provide connection with people. There's a lot of reasons why I provide a lot of links down in my description below. When you guys need something, I don't gatekeep nothing. I tell you guys all the info, but it's kind of around that idea. And the inspiration behind it is more of a high quality designer feel. So the quality of the clothing is actually pretty good, and I can attest to that. I wouldn't sell you guys something that's bad. Trust me, I wouldn't do that to nobody. But I do keep the quality up, and there's a little bit something on the side. So you guys do want to check that out. I'll leave the link down in the description below, and stay tuned to this. I'm going to put a discount code as well. It's going to be a 20% off discount code for you guys. Save some money as well. Have some fun. Look at the clothing brand. Like I said, quality design. I'm going to be talking about it a little bit more throughout some more videos along the line. So if you stay to the end of this video, thank you. I really appreciate you. And if you go to the website, I really appreciate you, because you took some time out, checked out my brand. And you might like something there or not. Anyways, y'all. Peace.